Viewers, we are getting yet another breaking news that Delhi High Court has asked Aam Aadmi Party to vacate its current party office by June 15. They have said that the Aam Aadmi Party is entitled to use housing unit from the general pool till a permanent land is allotted for construction of its office. Now, court has asked the centre to decide AAP's representation within 6 weeks. That is the breaking news that we are getting. It's a massive setback for Aam Aadmi Party from the Delhi High Court. They have asked Aam Aadmi Party to vacate its current party office by June 15th. And they've gone on to state further that Aam Aadmi Party is entitled to use housing unit from the general pool till a permanent land is allotted for construction of its office. In fact, the court has asked the centre to decide AAP's representation within 6 weeks. And AAP has been asked to vacate its current party office by June 15th.
Top leaders are coming to New Delhi right now, and it's likely that they might meet at the Prime Minister's residence. I'm here tracking all the developments for our viewers. We also are coming to that they just...
Right, Shivani, stay on. We have another big breaking news, like you just said. Nitish Kumar has departed for Delhi, and it seems like the India allies are continuing to cajole Nitish Kumar and are trying to entice him into dumping the NDA and jumping ship once again. That's the big news that we're bringing you, viewers. Meanwhile, JDU netas are also meeting at Nitish's residence ahead of his Delhi trip. RJD MLA is appealing to Nitish to join the Indi. Listen in first to this remark from RJD MLA Virendra, and then Shivangi will come back to you. All right, viewers. Before we break that bite for you, let's go back to my colleague Shivangi. Shivangi, like you just said, we've broken the news to our viewers. Both the RJD and the NDA are now trying to woo Nitish Kumar, who now holds really a kingmaker role after the announcement of the Lok Sabha results. While Nitish Kumar has left for Delhi to join the NDA meeting just 2 days after he's already met the Prime Minister in the national capital. This is going to be an NDA meeting today after the announcement of the results. Nitish, Chandrababu Naidu both hold key cards, like you said, but tell us about what you're learning from your sources at the moment.
Well, right now, you can see clearly right now what is happening. Nitish Kumar will be leaving for Delhi. That is what we are learning of. That Nitish Kumar will be leaving for Delhi right now. And once he reaches, then we have to wait and watch. Where will Nitish Kumar go? Now, he should be coming here. He should be coming to the Prime Minister's residence, or he should be going for the NDA huddle. He should be meeting all the other NDA leaders. But we have also broken that news, and that Tejasvi is also on the same flight as Nitish Kumar. So if that is true, and this is all speculation-based, source-based information coming in right now, Kriti, then we have to wait and watch what will happen next. Now, why Nitish Kumar? Nitish Kumar is called Paltu Ram for good reason. He has done flip-flops in the past. He left the India Alliance, and now then he suddenly joins the BJP, the NDA Alliance in Bihar. And Nitish Kumar has been, we have been telling this for a long time right now, especially Republic TV. Nitish Kumar has been supposedly he's seeing dreams of becoming the Prime Minister.
And we're bringing you now a big breaking news story. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has arrived in Delhi earlier today ahead of the NDA meeting to be held later this evening at 4:30. Listen in to what he had to say.
जनता ने मेरे ऊपर विश्वास व्यक्त किया है और फिर से एक बार देश के लिए काम करने का मौका दिया है। निश्चित रूप से इसका उपयोग हमारे देश के विकास के लिए जो भी हो सकता है वो मैं करने की कोशिश करूंगा। और जिस जनता ने मुझे तीसरी बार फिर से विश्वास दिया उसके प्रति मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा। तीसरी बार जनता ने मेरे ऊपर विश्वास व्यक्त किया है और फिर से एक बार देश के लिए काम करने का मौका दिया है। निश्चित रूप से इसका उपयोग हमारे देश के विकास के लिए जो भी हो सकता है वो मैं करने की कोशिश करूंगा। और जिस जनता ने मुझे तीसरी बार फिर से विश्वास दिया उसके प्रति मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दूँगा।